Since the machine has been designed to cut a wide variety of pinions and gears, there are numerous adjustments for things such as the size of the blanks and the finished parts, the positions of the cutters relative to each other in two-pass cutting, and things like that. The Simplex is powered by a 1/4 horsepower 110 volt motor. There are custom-made pulleys here. The sizes of the pulleys were derived from the manual that came with the machine. The belts are urethane and link belts. These are the zero downtime type belts. They're very handy and it's very easy to adjust their length. They're also quite strong. The urethane belts are purchased as raw stock from a master car, and they can be welded together by simply cutting a clean edge, heating them, and pressing them together, keeping them aligned. Allow the belts to cool, and they are quite strong enough to handle this machine. There are 3 pulleys on the Bechler machine that need to be driven in order for the machine to cut gears properly. The first is the spindle. The spindle belt is routed into the machine through underneath. It comes out here, and it has a choice of a couple of different pulley sizes depending on how fast you want the spindle to run. This pulley is responsible for driving the cutter fluid pump and for the operation that traverses the carriage back and forth to cut the gear teeth. Note that when the load eject cycle runs, there is a clutch and brake mechanism that stops this, so the spindle will not traverse and the coolant pump will stop during part load eject cycles. The third pulley here drives the mechanism that takes care of ejecting and loading new parts. And the tube up top here is for the flow of coolant, which comes from a pump here, and this reservoir would be filled with coolant. This is the Bechler Simplex running with cutting oil. The flow of the oil is adjustable. I have it at a fairly low rate right now. Note that the flow stops when a part is loaded, and then starts when the part is running again. And that is the Bechler Simplex. The stand is included, as is the motor, of course. The dolly is not. The coolant has been cleaned up, so it's not a greasy mess. If it has to be shipped, it'll be shipped in the original crate that I got it with, and it'll be separated from the stand and the motor. Shipping expense is the responsibility of the buyer. Also included are additional urethane belt material, zero downtime belt, the installation manual, the manual and drawings that came with the original machine, a tray to assist in loading magazines, the part catcher, which is a 2-piece deal that can allow the cutting fluid to be drained from cut parts, an assortment of spare parts in this envelope, some tools used for working on the machine, and the nice little box they came in. This is Bechler serial number 1384.